beautiful people, it's Courtney. Welcome back. Today I have a very exciting video for you, and I'm super excited because I've been wanting to do one of these videos for a while now, and I'm going to be unboxing Etsy slime mystery boxes. So if you aren't familiar with mystery boxes, basically they've kind of popped up all over Etsy and eBay. I have a fun eBay one coming soon, but it doesn't have to be geared towards slime. These are just slime mystery boxes. So basically a mystery box is a set price and you have no idea what you're getting. It's a surprise inside. Sometimes the sellers on Etsy will tell you it comes with this many slimes or that many slimes or this type of slime, but you have no idea the colors or the scents or anything like that. So I thought this would be very fun to share with you guys and unbox and let you guys see what I get. So please give this video a huge thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the bell. If you turn on the bell to be notified when I upload new videos, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, and you could be featured in my next video as my shout out squad of the video. If you are new to my channel, I basically do this every time I have a shout out squad. I don't know, it's just kind of like a habit. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so this first mystery box is from Sleazy Slime. So I'm excited to open it up, see what's in here. The first thing I see are some little extras. We have some colorful foam beads, and there's also some glitter confetti in there as well. And this is her cloud mystery box. Okay, so here we have 3 of these little 2-ounce slimes. We have 2 4-ounce, one 8-ounce, and then some fun little extras. So I think this is awesome so far. The packaging is great. Nothing has spilled. Everything looks nice. Even though these are like the plastic containers, none of them have leaked or spilled or cracked, so that's awesome. All of these are cloud slimes, so I am very excited to try out her texture because cloud slime could be a bit difficult to get perfect. Sometimes it turns into a little more like cloud cream. So we are going to see. This has a really nice scent to it. It smells like peppermint. So let's try it out. Oh yeah, definitely has some of the cloud texture, not completely. Let's take it out. It's not sticky at all, which is really nice. Sometimes cloud slimes can be sticky. It can leave kind of like a residue everywhere. So this is really pretty and has a super nice texture. It's not sticky at all. I would almost say it's not even quite like a cloud cream. It is like a cloud, but it's not quite all the way done. Normally cloud slimes will fall, and this one kind of stays together as I stretch it. But when I pull it apart, you can see like the instant snow kind of particles in it. So it definitely has it. It's just not quite enough to make it where it has that like falling cloud texture. But I love this slime. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. It would get 10 out of 10 if it was more like the cloud texture, but still I think it is amazing and it's really fun to play with and stretch, and it still looks really cool like when you stretch it and stuff. I just think this is really nice. It holds its shape really well. This next one is a really pretty light purple color, and I will say this has been sitting at my house for a little while, probably about 2.5 weeks or so. So it's nice that they aren't sticky, and usually that will kind of help the texture of cloud slimes. Ooh, this one seems a lot more cloud-like than the last one. Ooh, and this one actually smells like lavender, so that's really cool. It is a little, it's not sticking to my hands, but as you can see, it's sticking to the table a bit and leaving residue, but that's okay. Cloud slimes usually do that, so I won't take off for that. But I think this one is really nice, and it smells nice too. This next slime actually already has a label on it, so I actually know what this one is called, and it is her Pina Colada slime. And it literally smells just like coconut. It reminds me like I'm putting on coconut tanning lotion or something like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, this one is the best one so far. This one has a perfect cloud texture. Look at that. Amazing. So this one actually doesn't seem like it's leaving a residue, which is awesome. But look at this. It's just so amazing. This one definitely gets a 10 out of 10. It has a perfect, like it can't get any more perfect than this. Like, this is an amazing cloud slime. This one has a really nice smell to it. I'm not exactly sure what it is. It smells kind of fruity, kind of tropical. So this reminds me a lot of the lavender one. Not perfect, not quite like a cloud like the other one. I like though that there's kind of like a range of textures. Like that last one would be a perfect cloud, but these are also really fun to play with. This one seems to have a little bit more of a residue to it, but it's nice. It's not leaving a residue. It smells really nice, not sticky. I guess it does leave a bit of a residue, not terribly though, but not sticky, so this one will get a 9 out of 10. Next up, we have this little one. It looks like a white confetti type of cloud. This is definitely like a funfetti cake. It smells just like it. It smells amazing. So I think this is really pretty. It has like the rainbow different confetti in it. And the cloud texture actually looks pretty good on this one. It is smaller, so it's a little bit harder to tell. But as you could see, that yellow one was still perfect, but this one is really nice as well. It has like a true cloud texture. Let me move that out of the way. But this one is super nice. It smells so good. Her scents smell amazing. All of these have been scented so far, and I really like the smell on all of them. So I'm going to give this one a 10 out of 10. I think it's a really pretty, it reminds me just like Funfetti. All right, this last one also has a label, so we know this one is the hot cocoa. The rest of them were quite a mystery as to what they were, which is totally fine. It's a mystery box. I don't expect them to have names in the mystery box, but it is nice to know what it is. So it looks like hot cocoa. Let's see if it smells like hot cocoa. It probably does because her scents are amazing. And this one looks like a really good cloud slime. This smells to me exactly like a Tootsie Roll. It smells really good. Oh yeah, and look at that cloud slime. You don't get as much of the effect with these little ones, but it's definitely still there. And I think with this one, I'm gonna add in her little extras. I'm going to give this one a 10 out of 10 as well. I think it's an awesome slime. It has that cloud texture. I think the foam beads might have messed with it. It seemed like the cloud texture was a little bit better before I put it in. I am so impressed with her slimes. None of them were sticky whatsoever. They all smelled great. The colors were really pretty. You guys know I hate finding hairs in my slime, and there's no hairs. So that's always nice. At least none that I found. So that's a good thing. But overall, just so impressed. And the pina colada was definitely my favorite. So this next mystery box came from Slimy Station 2, and you might recognize that name because she also sent me slimes to unbox in my last video I did, but she labeled everything. So this is the stuff that comes in her mystery box. And plus a squishy. I didn't mention that in the last one, so it all came together in one box, so I thought I would share that now. And then these three were mystery box slimes, so I'm very excited to share them with you guys. So again, I will link her info down below if you would like to check it out. And let's go ahead and dig in. First, I'm going to open up this squishy. Ooh, this is like a really cute Hello Kitty one. I didn't even realize like this other side was that cute. Not super squishy. I just think it's really cute though. So everything came really nicely packaged. They were in bubble wrap, and then they also had a tape around the edges, which I like to enforce it, and nothing spilled, so that's awesome. And this one looks amazing, so we're gonna start right here. And it also has these are really pretty. They're like these iridescent little glitter hearts. So we're gonna mix that into here. Okay, so I love this. I love that it's mixed together. It looks like a cloud slime, or yeah, definitely ooh, look at that. That's definitely like a cloud slime, cloud cream slime. I don't even want to mix this because it looks so amazing. And it also smells really good. I can't put my finger on what the smell is, but it definitely smells like something I've smelt before. Look how beautiful this is. I love these hearts. I need to find these. Ooh, and they make it really crunchy too. So this is definitely, oh my goodness, this is an amazing cloud slime. Look at that. Amazing. I love how it's 2 different colors, and I feel like it's going to mix into a beautiful kind of light purple color. This is just, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's just so pretty. I feel like this is going to be my favorite slime from the bunch. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's just like an amazing cloud. This one definitely gets a 10 out of 10. It smells amazing. It's beautiful. I love the little heart extras. And the cloud texture is just absolutely incredible. This next slime looks really pretty. It's this like metallic-y orange color, and it looks like a clear glue slime. Hopefully it's not too sticky. Clear slimes can definitely liquefy very fast just because they have more water in it. So I'm going to add a bit of activator and then go ahead and take it out. So this definitely has a lot of like water in this clear glue recipe that makes it so jiggly. So I'm going to give this one a 9 out of 10. I think it's very pretty. I think it's a little bit on the stiff side and it does leave some residue, but I absolutely love the color on this one. It's more of like a putty, but it's super, super nice. I like it a lot. It's like a very jiggly putty. So last but not least, we have this yellow slime here. This smells really good. This reminds me of like a Hawaiian punch or something. This actually, I thought it was a regular slime, but I actually think it is a cloud cream. It feels like a cloud cream. I'm definitely going to give this one a 10 out of 10. Very stretchy, amazing texture, and the smell on it is just so, so good. So I like this one a lot as well. Okay, so this is the last slime and the last box I'm going to be reviewing for this mystery box, and of course all of them are going to be listed down below if you would like to get your own. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you missed any of my last videos, you could click on over to the side of me, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye!